December is the time of the year when the vibrant colors of the wilderness have completely faded, giving way to the inhospitable winter colors of the mountains that once used to house a symphony of forest activities. Yet, we found ourselves backpacking on Sam Knob Loop Trail near the Blue Ridge Parkway just on the edge of Shining Rock Wilderness. We are in North Carolina. We are headed to Sam Knob via the Mountain to Sea Trail. Before we reach the campsite at Sam Knob, we are going to stop by at the Devil's Courthouse. It's an overlook. It's windy today. It's cold and wet, but our spirits are high. Again. Our spirits are high.
Fake news!
Actually, we're going to attend a wedding in Tennessee in the next 2 days. We thought it would be fun for us to find time to go backpacking. We passed by a forested part of the trail, a dense grove of black balsam trees, the likes of which you only see on fairy tale movies. The Devil's Courthouse is a mountain with an overlook at its peak. Can be accessed via Blue Ridge Parkway, offering panoramic views of nearby Pisgah National Forest.
Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't
Kaya makalipay daw. For the heart, makalipay.
Something ain't right. Something ain't right. You straighten my shirt, wearing.
We eventually hiked back to the main trail, where we hiked 2.5 miles of mostly rock-laden watery trail. It had been raining a couple of days before, flooding much of this part of the trail.
Turn off the lights, the stars in the sky are turning so clear, and without the words, the feelings unheard can still be just as sincere. But something's not
Parking lot.
right.
And now we have to go back to the trail. We're running out of time. The sun is about to set. We have to speed up, and hopefully we could reach the campsite before dark. A long stretch of boardwalk leads us towards an open area of grassy patch.
Walk in the leaves under the trees without any shoes on, and holding my hand, I spin you around and I sing you a song, taking a breath like taking yourself to the hospital. And I feel okay, almost the same, but I
finally reach our campsite 6 miles from the trailhead and just about 100 meters or so from Sam Knob Peak.
Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
It's so windy. The whole tent keeps on shaking. Ouch. Good morning, everyone. It's around 7:30 and I hope the sun would come up soon to warm the place. And not so long after, the sun appeared beyond the mountains, casting a golden glow on a sleeping landscape. As we peek behind the withered bushes, the sun lights up layers upon layers of mountain ridges. Tucked among the grassy patch of Sam's Knob, hidden from the freezing winds of winter, lay our abode from last night. We then prepared our coffee and enjoyed every sip, slowly embracing the life-giving warmth from above. We eventually hiked to the top of Sam's Knob, fully knowing that this year is soon to pass. Thankful to a wonderful year of adventure, filled with memories that would surely last.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk
came from there yesterday, but today we're going to complete the loop and hit this one.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot?
We then hiked the rest of the trail across creeks and along waterfalls.
For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet. For old lang syne, for old lang syne.
Okay, so we're finally at the parking lot, and she's grabbing a rock as her souvenir.
Collection.
Not a good idea, but it's a rock on the road, so I hope you don't mind.
I don't mind.
So there's our vehicle. Thankfully, it's still there. This is like a country road. So if you happen to be in the Black Balsam Mountains, try camping at Sam Knob. Try to do it before December. Try to do it during spring, summer, fall. Do not try this at home.
These are just